Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to sound more natural and fluent in English, today's lesson is for you. Today, I'm going to explore a very useful English phrases which can help you express your feelings, emotion or habit with more naturally. And that English phrase, many native speakers use in their daily life conversation.
The phrase is sort of. Sort of is an informal phrase that has two main purposes in English. One, to show something is not exact or complete. It means kind of, in a way, or approximately. Two, to soften your statement. It makes your sentence sound less direct or less strong, useful for politeness or uncertainty. You can use sort of before nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Let's see some examples. Before a noun, he is sort of a musician. It means he plays music but maybe not professionally. And next, before an adjectives. Example, she was sort of tired. She was sort of tired. It means she felt a little tired, not fully exhausted. And next is before a verb. The example is, I sort of agree with you. It means I agree but not completely. Using sort of makes your English sound more relaxed, polite and natural. And now let's hear a short story using sort of many times to see how it works in real life conversation. Okay. Rayhan and Zidan were best friends. One lazy afternoon, sitting on a rooftop with chips, Zidan said, "Bro, I'm sort of bored." Rayhan replied, "Yeah, this day feels sort of useless." Zidan suddenly said, "Let's do something crazy, sort of an adventure." Rayhan laughed, "Your idea is sort of stupid, but I'm in." 10 minutes later, both were on their bikes. Zidan said, "This is sort of exciting, right?" Rayhan smiled, "Yeah, and sort of risky. My mom thinks I'm starting." At a tea shop, Zidan said, "This tea is sort of strong." Rayhan added, "And this moment is sort of perfect." So next time you are not completely sure or just want to sound more polite and casual, try using sort of in your conversation. Okay? And now it's your turn. Write a short comment using sort of in a sentence. I'll be checking. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more clear and professional English lessons. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.